Consider this change management scenario. The organization is adopting a more data-driven decision-making approach. How would you help employees develop data literacy and embrace evidence-based practices?
Welcome to our Peak Pursuit series, where we pursue innovative strategies for the business world.
Hey there.
Presenting your
Welcome
host,
to our Peak
Sandhya
Pursuit series,
Lakhan-Paul, who
where we
talks about
pursue
AI,
innovative strategies
change
for the
management,
business world.
learning and development,
I am
digital
your host,
marketing,
Sandhya Lakhan-Paul,
project management, leadership
building data
development,
literacy
and much more to
fostering a
set you up for
data-driven culture
success. Don't
involves
forget
a series
to subscribe
of
and
deliberate
follow
steps.
us for the latest
Let's
tips and
enhance
tricks
these
from the
strategies
world
to
of
maximize
business.
their impact. Data literacy. Baseline. Gauge the starting point. Assess data literacy through skill inventories, surveys, or quizzes, mapping individual and departmental proficiency levels. Customized learning paths. Tailor the training. Develop personalized learning paths catering to different roles and proficiency levels, ensuring relevance and engagement. Interactive learning modules. Make learning interactive. Use gamification, interactive modules, and hands-on exercises to make data concepts engaging and memorable. Data stories and showcases. Craft compelling narratives. Create stories and showcases illustrating how data-driven decisions led to success, inspiring employees to harness data. Data mentorship programs. Cultivate data mentors. Pair skilled employees with those seeking to enhance their data skills, fostering peer-to-peer learning and guidance. Cross-functional data hubs. Establish data hubs. Create centralized platforms or spaces where employees can access and share data across departments, fostering collaboration. Data-informed performance metrics. Set the compass right. Integrate data usage into performance metrics, tying it to professional growth and recognition. Intuitive data platforms. Simplify the tools. Provide intuitive data platforms and tools with user-friendly interfaces, enabling easy data exploration and analysis. Data clinics and help desks. Offer expert support. Establish clinics or help desks staffed with data experts to assist employees with queries and challenges. Data challenges and hackathons. Spark innovation. Host challenges or hackathons that task teams with solving real business problems using data, encouraging creative thinking. Continuous feedback loops. Foster an inquisitive environment. Encourage a culture where asking data-related questions is welcomed, fostering curiosity and learning. Data leadership development. Cultivate data-savvy leaders. Include data literacy and evidence-based decision-making in leadership development programs. Public data dashboards. Share insights transparently. Create accessible dashboards displaying key metrics and data insights for employees to explore. Impact-centric evaluation. Measure the ripples. Assess the impact of data literacy initiatives, not just on skill development, but on actual business outcomes. This amplified approach will immerse employees in a data-centric environment, fostering proficiency and a culture where data becomes an intrinsic part of decision-making and innovation. Until next time, keep pursuing innovative strategies.
Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep pursuing innovative strategies.